In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and acquire ASH-GRENINJA in PIXELMON. Okay, so first of all, this is what it looks like. This is as big as it can get, I think, or nearly as big. Now, how you get him is actually very interesting. So the first thing you want to do is you need to get access to a super rod. Now, the super rod is not craftable. You have to acquire it by finding it another way. And once you get it, what you want to do is go to a swamp biome like this one, and you have to find a body of water like this, and you have to make sure the water is 4 blocks deep. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 blocks deep. It has to be that. Now, if you can't find one that's naturally 4 blocks deep, then you can make it 4 blocks deep yourself. Now, once you've got that, what you're going to do is fish, and you're going to have a very low chance of getting it, but you have to fish and just keep doing that, and then you can get it like this. It's a very low chance, but this is the way you can get it. So I'm going to fish here and wait. And obviously I didn't get it this time, but if you keep doing this, then you will eventually get it, and that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.